I'm just recording this so I remember for next time, so I don't get screwed over trying to remember what I have to do again. So the way that it works, I find you go to layout, zoom in, find a window, click on said window, shading. You need to find the correct slot, which will be this one for that. Click on here, have to type in that, enter, find this one, double click. I'll do the same with this one. That one, double click. Now, gotta go to red, go here, the red one, and here, do it again. I'm pretty sure I'm doing this wrong for these windows on the star chart. Then you go back to layout. Looks like that. Now this thing on the beam laser, I can click that. That might be work. Hanger base. That's not accurate. Let's find out. Okay. Yeah. Hey, it worked. That was red. That's good. How are my octuplets, by the way? Oh, yep, I gotta do the octuplets as well. So that's the thing. And you can see how I only did a portion of the windows. Like each time I only do some of the windows. So I'm gonna. Luckily, all these guns are all on the same trigger. But I have to go and find every single thing in layout, so select it and do that. Then I want to lift that to the top. Actually, I decided to. Maybe, or just little, I'm not sure. I can figure out how to do that somehow. And then, once I finish doing all the windows that are still purple, I think I go and do the other bits. Where's my camera? If I click rendering... No, where's the camera? Where is it? Oh, where is it? Oh, it's back here. Okay. No, not that. Undo. I forget how to do cameras. I do that. That seemed to help a little. I don't want to have to keep doing this, of course, but I'm just trying to see my progress, really. And that ain't too bad. Alright, let's take a run. Nope. Or an image. See how this looks. Just to make sure that my progress isn't terrible. Give it a second. You can see there I'm making progress. You just can't really see it, you know? So, I gotta relearn the everything. Looks like. No, I want the back one. Nope, undo. Some. There. Let's try another image. You can't really. If I can get into the hang, I gotta watch that one guy's thing about the donut again. See how I'm doing this, but yeah, you can see I'm making progress at least. So that's an at least. One step at a time. Oh, and then of course the bottom is all different windows. They're all different. So I have hundreds of windows still to go. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 clicks. Then I gotta do the guns again. Then I get. Well, at least I'm recording this so I don't forget this time. And I'm realizing that I really need to relearn everything about Blender. Yeah, I have to zoom in, click on the window, not on the other thing. I gotta go. But I gotta do, because I don't really know what I'm. Nope, oh no, that's the wrong one. Because I don't really know what I'm doing, I'm just doing it to all of them, just in case, you know. And why do you put all these in here if they weren't going to be used? But I don't really know what I'm doing, so there and there. Now these are good. Yay! And now I gotta do the next one. Boo! But progress. Save progress. I'm out here. Goodbye. I gotta relearn everything about Blender.